Annyeonghaseyo Wanderers, welcome back to We Wonder Korea. I spent the last few days exploring around Seoul while getting set up to cycle my way to Busan. Today, we start my last full day in Seoul before the cycling trip begins. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Right now I'm walking to the station to head into Seoul. Our first stop is Seoul Forest Park. By the way, I am feeling much better today. Taking a break yesterday really helped. I have almost zero soreness. Well, after an hour, I have arrived at my station. This is on the complete other side of the city. Trying to figure out how to actually get into the park now, though. This is called Seoul Forest Station, so it should be right. Oh, there. It says Seoul Forest right there. Okay, I guess I get in somewhere here. If you've been following along, then you know the other day I went to Incheon Grand Park, which was amazing. If you haven't seen that video, you should. Let's see how this one stacks up. So far, I'm not even sure where to go into the park. I don't totally know what I'm doing. Well, I have definitely made my way into something. Some kind of garden. I could check the map. I'll do it in a bit. I want to wander around a little bit first. This is the We Wonder channel, so I should... Oh, there's cats playing. There's 3 cats right here. Come here. Come here, buddy. I see you too. I don't know where your other friend went, but I know there's 3 of you, at least. Don't run, bud. I wish I had food to give you. I used to always give food to the cats in the Philippines. Bye. Okay, I found the Waterworks Museum, which is across the street from the park. I think I just went the wrong direction because I've been looking at the map now. But it says it's closed today, so I guess we won't be looking at that. So let's go back across this way and see if we can find the actual park. And hopefully that's open. Online it said it was open. Okay, I found the park. I had just gone in the exact wrong direction. Look, there's a sign here. Let's see where we can go. I made my decision. Visitor center to start. I don't know anything about this place. So let's see if they can teach me something. Maybe I'll know where to go and what else to look at. Pretty beautiful so far. Lots of places to take pictures and film, and lots of little cats running around. Lots of strays. Oh god, oh, it's so bright. Seoul Forest Park is pretty big and beautiful. You could easily spend a whole day here just exploring around. There actually weren't that many people there when I first arrived because I arrived so early. This sign points to Tokyo and a ton of other places, but I mentioned Tokyo because I'll be there in about a month. Stay tuned. What's up? Hey. Oh. Look at this. They have a picnic garden, and right in the middle is a picnic table for giants. It's so inclusive. I love it here, man. They think of everything. Okay, this one's actually pretty cool. The flowers here on this little pond are closed in the shade, but in the sun, like the spots where the sun's hitting, they open up. Maybe that's really normal, but I've never experienced that before. It's really neat. Guys, if I'm wrong and sound like an idiot, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty positive these trees all along this path are ginkgo. I don't know the name in Korean, but ginkgo is Japanese for gold. Gold is gin and ko is tree, so like golden trees, because in the fall, which it is fall, that must be just a tiny bit too early. Maybe in a couple of weeks or in 1 month, they should turn super beautiful gold. Actually, we'll probably see these in Japan. I would assume we'll be in Japan at the right time. Hopefully we can find some there. As I made my way around the park, it started to fill up a bit more with people, but it was never that many. This is such a popular park, so I was shocked by how not crowded it ended up being. Look at this huge stage in the middle of the park. Maybe BTS perform here. Just kidding, guys. Or maybe not. Maybe they did. It's pretty cool, actually. Seems like a nice place to come see a concert. I introduced to you guys the Bridge of Destiny. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's pretty beautiful though. Eventually, I came to this bridge that leads out of this section of the park. Turns out, the park has multiple sections that you can reach either by taking the bridge and then crossing the street, or by taking tunnels that pass beneath the road. One thing I find really cool here is that they have these huge umbrellas that you can wait under before you cross the road. It's not just here in this area, it's by my Airbnb as well, and a lot of places I've crossed, I've seen them. Not every spot maybe, but a lot of them. It's pretty cool. Okay, I've crossed the street and made my way into the next area of the park. This sign says there's a deer corral, Echo Forest Deer Corral, Riverside Park. I think maybe that's where we already were. Oh no, that's forward. And an insect garden that way. Let's head toward the deer. That's only 95 meters. We're almost there. Oh, guys, there's so many deer. I feel like I'm in Nara already. I don't even need to go to Japan. So actually, guys, the deer are behind this fence. When they said it's a corral, they really meant it. So you can't approach them. So just kidding. I do still need to go to Nara if I want to get close to the actual deer. But pretty cool. It smells like manure. I've been walking for a while and I think I accidentally left the park. I was just following this white bridge. Lots of people were following it. From here I can actually see Namsan Tower and I can see, I think right there, Lotte Tower, which we'll be at later today. I don't know where this goes. I'm gonna just follow it to the end and then I'll go back to the park and finish looking around there. I just want to see, I don't know, it looks like something beautiful up ahead. This bridge took me all the way out of the park to an absolutely jaw-dropping view of the city and Han River. If you come to Seoul Forest Park, make sure you find this view. It's past the area with the deer headed out of the park. It appears I've reached the end of the bridge. Very beautiful view, absolutely. But also the cycling road is down there and that's Han River. So I'll probably be on that, going right by this spot again in a couple of days. Okay, let's head back to the park. It's kind of a bit of a walk back, but we're headed toward what's likely to be our last stop in the park, the insect garden. And the map said there's a butterfly garden right next to the insect garden. Let's hope it's all open. This one's the cherry tree path. It's all cherry trees on both sides. We have these at home. Very similar. They look almost the same. And they have cherries. When I was a kid, my mom used to make cherry pies with the cherries from our trees sometimes. Well, here's the insect garden, but the door back there says it's closed. That sucks. There's still the butterfly garden though. Let's see. But my hopes aren't as high suddenly. Oh, here's the waterworks thing as well. It was here the whole time. I guess just the waterworks museum is closed today, but there's actually a waterworks thing here. Yeah, the butterfly garden's also closed. Kinda sucks, dude. Kinda blows. I want to see some butterflies. I have absolutely no idea what this area is. It's like ruins. Don't know why. It's kind of random. I think that's pretty much it though. There was actually a convenience store in here as well. I just stopped and grabbed some Pringles because I'm so freaking hungry. Next we're going to a mall so I can eat there. I'm gonna start heading back toward, I almost said the car, toward the subway. Let's see, maybe I'll find some other stuff or maybe this was it. Yep, I found the entrance, so I'm headed out. I really enjoyed it here. I thought it was super beautiful. If you like parks, if you like nature, this was a really big park. You should definitely come here and check it out, walk around. I would recommend coming maybe midway through October, maybe early November, when the trees will be changing colors more. All that being said, however, in full transparency, in all honesty, I liked Incheon Grand Park more. This one's bigger, but I think it's bigger. I don't know, when you add in the trails going up in the mountains, maybe Incheon's is bigger. I'm not sure, but the Incheon Grand Park was amazing. This was great. I rank amazing a little higher than great. All right, I need to go grab some lunch. We're headed to a mall next. I'll see you there. Next time on We Wonder Korea, I head to one of Seoul's most famous malls and stumble upon the most unique library I've ever seen. It's cooler than it sounds. Trust me, keep wondering.